Hello, my name is Sarah Coyle and I am here to talk about this book, Pick a Story, a Dinosaur Unicorn Robot Adventure, written by me and illustrated by the fantastic Adam Walker Parker. I wanted to write a book that really grabbed our youngest readers' attention, perhaps especially those readers who are less keen on books. We all know that kids love making choices because they don't get to make many choices in their day-to-day lives, otherwise they'd all wear beach shorts and eat marshmallows for breakfast. But making choices can give us a real sense of ownership over a thing. So by cramming Pick a Story with choices and activities, I wanted to get children engaged with the book and feel a real sense of ownership and investment in it. So what happens in Pick a Story? Well, Gwen here, it's her birthday and her dad has made a cake. But oh no, it's disappeared. Everyone is a suspect. These unicorns have a cake-based diet. The dinosaurs are having a food fight, and the robots discover the difference between yucky and yummy. So the question is, dear reader, can you help Gwen find her cake before her guests arrive? Let's have a little read and find out. Gwen was very excited about her birthday party. Her dad had made a cake. It wasn't in a train shape like Gwen had wanted, but it still looked yummy. There was nothing odd about the cool decorations Dad had found. What, the jam sponge? Musical robots? A unicorn neigh? A tailless T-Rex roar? There was something odd about the cool decorations Dad had found, and the party was about to start. Next second, Gwen's cake had gone. But where? Gwen needs your help, and fast. Can you track down a dessert? Save the cake, save the day. Pick a story and turn to the page number in bold. Would a unicorn take a cake? Page 4. Do robots relish sweet treats? Page 5. Did that dinosaur miss dinner? Page 6. Now I can hear what you're thinking. You're thinking, Sarah, you silly, I'm not in the room with you and I can't make a choice. But that's okay, because I'm going to go through the choices one by one. We're going to start with, would a unicorn take a cake? Page 4. Gwen found herself bouncing on a cloud. Unicorns pirouetted all around her. Which unicorn would you choose as a pet? Welcome aboard, cried an especially fluffy one. Unicorns love visitors. Do unicorns love cake? Gwen asked hopefully, because mine is missing. Snap, squalled the unicorns. We're missing things too. What a shocker. What should Gwen do? Ask the unicorns for help or offer to help the unicorns? Now, we're not going to do that choice now. We're going to go to, if you chose robots, do robots relish sweet treats? Gwen found herself in a robot city. These robots could fly in the air and walk up walls. They could even count backwards. What amazing robot ability would you choose to have? But when Gwen asked, have you seen my cake? The robots seemed to have their wires crossed. Yes. No. Someone's telling fibs. Who should Gwen trust? The robot saying no or the robot saying yes? Again, we're not going to do that choice right now. We're going to go to, if you chose option number 3, did that dinosaur miss dinner? Gwen found herself on a savannah. The savannah was covered in dinosaurs. The dinosaurs were covered in cake. It was a food fight. What a wicked waste of good sugar. Which ballistic bake would you eat? Which cake would you choose to eat? Has anyone seen my cake? Shouted Gwen. But no one heard her over the sound of smashing sponge. What should Gwen do? Get a better view, Gwen, or get stuck into that food fight, Gwen? I'm afraid that's all we've got time for today. If you'd like to find out what happens next, you will have to get yourself a copy of Pick a Story. I've been Sarah Coyle, and this has been a delight. Thank you, and goodbye.